Then Al-Kitab. The more common understanding of this word is something which has been written. Kataba yaktubu, to write. Al-Kitab, written thing. But actually, we shall discuss it later, inshallah, during this study of our selected course of the Quran. The Kitab in Quran means law. Because wherever there is a legal injunction of the Quran, the word has been used kutiba. Kutiba alaykum as-siyam. Kutiba alaykum al-qital. Inna salata kanat ala al-mu'minina kitaban mawquta. So whatsoever has been written, it is as if it has been decided finally. That's all. No more argument, no more discussions. Kutiba. And this is for something which has made obligatory first. So actually, kitab means law, sharia. So this book contains law, sharia. Rather the final shape and the most complete shape of the sharia, which started with Torah. That was the beginning of sharia. And that sharia has reached its zenith and climax in the Quran. So this is Al-Kitab. Both meanings you can have before you. Both are valid. Something which is written and something which is obligatory, which is first, which has to be obeyed anyhow.